Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Rater with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today's show is about a product from Taiwan. Okay, first off, my daughter doesn't want to take her nap. So, she's fine. She's just being very loud right now. She's in her crib. And I was just in there. She was quiet. And then I think what happened is she threw her pacifier out of the crib. And then I picked it up and gave it to her, gave a few hugs, and wrapped her up in her blanket. Said, okay, go back to sleep. Fury. My daughter gets furious mad. Oh my God. So hopefully that will stop. I don't even know if you can hear it, but I certainly can. And I'm on a time constraint, so I have to do this right now, so I apologize. So today's is a new variety of MIAN. This is their spicy meat paste flavor noodle. Take a gander at that. I freaking love MIAN. It's like super good stuff. One of their varieties was number 2 on the top 10 Taiwan list in 2017. And it's still on there in 2018. It's just not number 2 anymore because I want to say it's number 3, so that's still not bad. But yeah, these are a noodle I don't think they've did before, or if they did I just forget, but check these out. They're kind of flat, so oh my, she is extremely angry. So you take these noodles and you drop them into boiling water for 6 to 7 minutes. I have the timer at 6.5 minutes, right? So there we go. And so what's going on other than Mimi screaming? Oh, so I've got this thing on my website, and I can have it on whenever I feel like it. It pops up a little window in the corner, and it's like, you know how you go to some websites and it asks you if you want to chat or get assistance or this or that? Kind of like, usually it's for websites that sell stuff. Well, there's a company that makes it so you can do that and it's free. And there's a phone app for it. So it's like I can go in there, and usually it's on invisible. So I switch it to online. The little thing pops up and people can see it. And let's see, I got asked some questions this morning, like, where can I get this noodle? Where can I get that noodle? Hey, I tried this noodle off your list and I really liked it. I get that a lot and I really appreciate that. But stuff like that. And then I get one, like, this was 20 minutes ago. And it seems like every time, because I don't have time to go online and be in chat availability all the time. Man, she is ticked. But anyways, I don't have time to do that all the time. So what really gets me is that whenever I do, this one guy, I'm guessing it's got to be the same guy, and he comes in. The software is pretty neat too, because it'll show you general location. So like it would say like Manila, Philippines. You know, it won't say like street or anything like that, which is fine. I'd be stoked if it just said country, and it'll say, you know, what kind of browser they're using, if they're using a Mac or a PC, that kind of thing, which actually is all standard stuff that your browser gives out. Right? Yeah, I started this. EDSO software will know what to do with you if you say running a Mac and your screen resolution is this. it'll adapt something to that. Stuff like that. Anyways. His stuff, unknown. Has an American flag. It says USA. Unknown. Yes. Anyways, he only says one thing. And he's done it, and he's been from Canada before, too. I swear it's the same guy. It might even be the guy who does the thumbs down on all my videos. But just because, I don't know, it's not a word I generally use, so I won't even say it. And I hate describing words this way, you know, like the F word, you know, but he just uses one word, and he just says the N word, but never says anything else. I'll reply to him. I'll say, dude, why are you saying that to me? Never reply. And he drops off really quick. But he does it almost every time I'm online for more than a couple hours. It's like, wow. Very odd. Who knows? Maybe he doesn't like the fact that I like Asian noodles. I don't know. Could be a bot. There might be a way to search that, you know, like automatically if somebody comes online, it'll automatically send a message. These little noodle bundles have this neat tape. Taiwan noodle. I like that. Classy. Actually, I shouldn't say 100% for sure, but I'm pretty darn sure the place where I went. I've seen these. I've seen how these are made and the machine that bundles these, which is really crazy. It's just like spitting them out, and there was a girl like putting them in boxes and stacking them and all this stuff. It was like, whoa. And it was hot in there, just like everywhere in Taichung. That was that like in November of 2016? Yeah. God, if you can go to Taiwan, do it. Actually, I got a package yesterday from Malaysia. And this guy sent me, a really nice guy, sent me a bunch of cool stuff. Thank you again. And I open it up, and the smell of Malaysia came out of the box. I am not kidding. He used a bunch of plastic bags to hold the, you know, just like its packing material. And it was just like, I know that smell. That's what it smells like middle of the day downtown Penang. It was great. I was like, oh, wow. I mean, it was like such a freaking flashback. Let's see here. How are we doing? Are we still boiling? You better be boiling. I got 30 seconds left. Let's see how this is coming along. Oh, yeah. These are noodles, all right. It's always good to know what you're dealing with. Yeah, my daughter's going to sleep good tonight. She slept horribly last night. I think she was a little gassy. A little gassy. I don't like being gassy myself. It doesn't make me scream and cry, but I guess I haven't been that gassy. Actually, I have been that gassy. That's a good story. So back when I drank, I had a bottle of vodka and a big thing of apple juice. And I thought, yeah, that sounds good. No, don't do it. Oh my God. The paramedics came and they're like, oh, you just have really, really bad gas from drinking a lot of apple juice and vodka, sir. I thought my appendix was bursting. I mean, it was bad. Oh my God. God, I ate something and I had really bad gut pain. I was like rolling all over the floor, just like sweating like there was no tomorrow. Oh yeah, the self-cooking hot pot noodles. Twice that happened with that stuff. Man. But yeah, now you've heard the story. 2 stories of my gastrointestinal hell that I've dealt with before. So, gift to you as an added bonus. You get the story about the bowels and gastrointestinal. Anyways, I'm cooking here. Sorry. I'm sure the folks from the company who sent me this are like, dude, really? Really? What the hell is wrong with you, man? I really can't tell you that. You'll have to ask my wife. She'll probably be able to tell you what the hell's wrong with me. Alright. Ooh, that smells good. I'm getting a bit of a Szechuan pepper hit. This is like XIAO meat sauce. I think I've heard that pronounced like XIAO or Rozao. Words containing letters. Here's what we got. Okay. Let's give this a try. That is interesting. Now on this one, when I say interesting, it's a good interesting. Oh. Camera. Ah, come on. Where's the good? Where's the sweet spot? We need the super sweet spot. I don't know why. It's just being a... Oh, yeah, duh. The camera has legs. It moves. How about that? Ah, it's better. Okay. So, let's put the noodles in here. Ugh. Camera in the way. Man. So I want to make this look perfect, and currently it does not because I made a noodle mess. Noodle mess. That is better. Alright. And we got an egg. And we have hopes that this egg will do exactly what I want it to do. Scissor. We got some spring onion. What was I gonna... Oh, yeah. So on the front of the package of this one, I'm going to show you. See that? Hoping you can see that. Right there. See that stuff? Well, as it turns out, I have that stuff for situations like this. It's kind of the same. What I got is called sliced red pepper. It's in strips. It is not circular cut, which I wish it were. I wish I could get all sorts of stuff like that, but generally I can't find it. So maybe I need to get over to Taiwan and hit up whoever took that photo. And you're never gonna find me looking at something like this and saying, no, this totally doesn't need some crispy onions. No, no, that'd ruin it. Yeah, no. Oh yeah, I totally want to scarf this down right now. That's pretty. Look at that. Yum. Yummy! Looks like an owl. Hear that? Those guys, they work their butts off, and they're so happy when they do it. I swear. But yeah, that dude who says that, I don't know what his deal is, but I think he's a fool. Serious fool. So, anyways. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. These are awesome noodles, and you should enjoy them if you can find them. And if you like this video, maybe you would like one of these videos. So yeah. Alright, people. You be nice on the internet. Have to put my foot down. Vaya con Dios.